Hello guys and welcome to another video from Time of Business. Today we'll be discussing how to increase your sales and traffic using Etsy Facebook groups. Now if you are new to the channel, Time of Business is the perfect place to grow your online business. Whether you are an Etsy seller, whether you have a Shopify store, a YouTube channel, a blog, Time of Business is the perfect place to start your journey online and to learn about all of those. If that is something that you are interested in, please make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out our website timeofbusiness.com for a ton of resources on how to grow your Etsy store. In case you did not know, there is a Facebook group for basically anything, from cooking to vlogging to Etsy to basically everything. So this is where we'll be talking about 4 types of Etsy Facebook groups that you can join and what you can expect to achieve from them. Now the goal for most of you will be to increase your traffic, your sales. So I'm pretty sure that each and one of these group types will be able to help you with something. The first type of Etsy Facebook groups are the general promotion Facebook groups or buy and sell. So these groups are usually for both sellers and buyers, where people can go and link their products, their Etsy stores, and these are the most common ones and also the biggest ones out there. So for example, we have a couple of Etsy Facebook groups ourselves, so you will be able to find them in the description below. Make sure to join them all so that you can increase your traffic, your exposure. And in these groups, you can actually link a certain product, a sale. You can also engage with different buyers, because usually a thing that you might not know, there are people in search of certain items for different occasions, for a special gift, and they will be writing in those groups, "Hey guys, I'm interested in a personalized mug for my father's birthday. I'm located in France. Is there anybody in France that can deliver this within a few days?" And that is where you can step in and expose your products. A very important thing with these Facebook groups is that most of them have rules. So some people want that you only post 1 or 2 times a day or maybe a week. You can comment or reboost your post every 24 hours. So make sure to read those rules so that you join the groups and stay in them for a long period of time. The second type of Etsy groups that you can find online are the targeted ones, so niche Etsy groups, or sometimes they might also include other platforms. So they can be groups only for jewelry, only for handmade, only for clothing, for vintage items, and usually there are for Etsy sellers, maybe also eBay, Bonanza, so for other markets as well. And that is a great chance, because if you only sell specific items, so let's say we only sell jewelry, so it is more convenient for me to join more jewelry related groups and to expose my jewelry there, compared to taking the products that I sell, so jewelry, to a group that mostly deals with vintage or handmade items, maybe even prints, so digital products. So make sure to join those groups that are the closest to your niche. Before we move forward, if you find value from this video, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like it, comment if you want to say something, let us know if you have any questions, maybe you have a suggestion for a future video. So make sure to subscribe. Also, check out our website, timeofbusiness.com, because we have a ton of useful information for all Etsy sellers. Now, the third type of Etsy Facebook groups are community and support. So these are a great resource for new sellers, for people who have faced a problem, maybe they have a question, maybe they are facing an issue with a buyer or a seller, and they want to reach out to other people, so other more experienced people, and ask them how should they proceed or how should they continue, what should they do. So this is a very cool thing for those who are starting out and for those who want to get a quick answer to their question. So make sure to also write Etsy community, Etsy support, Etsy questions, and you'll most likely find the groups that deal with these kind of problems, and there are some that are very big, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find your solutions there. The fourth and last type of Etsy Facebook group is related to marketing, SEO, tips and tricks. So if you want to grow your Etsy store, if you want to improve your SEO, if you want to get more traffic, more sales, to get into social media, into titles and tags, descriptions, those are the groups that you need to join in order to grow even more on Etsy. And there, once again, you'll be able to find a lot of information. So make sure to read through more posts, see blog articles. There will also be a lot of SEO experts, maybe from Fiverr or different platforms that can help you improve your titles and tags. So if that is something that you are willing to spend, or maybe you do not have enough time to optimize the products yourself or to learn, that is a great chance for you to take your store to the next level. So guys, that was the video. Those were the 4 types of Etsy Facebook groups that you can join in order to grow your online store. I hope that this is useful. Also, make sure to check the description below because we also included our own Etsy Facebook groups. Make sure to join them and post as much as you want, as long as it is related to Etsy. And once again, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, check out our website, Time of Business, if you are interested in growing your Etsy store, in learning how to increase your sales, your traffic. And until next time, guys, do not forget, there was never a better time.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our